More than success, more than money, more than power, good health is the most important thing. Health has become increasingly more important over past few decades in the Philippines. Despite of the advance of medical science, health problems are still around. People are still prone to illnesses. As some of the cities are getting more urbanized, diseases were accumulated. Three major problems that affects us as an individual. First, slower and less efficient healthcare system. Healthcare in the Philippines suffers from a shortage of human medical resources. This makes the system run slower and less efficient. Second, side effects of synthetic drugs. WHO reported that many people are neglecting synthetic drugs due to the increased side effects. Third, non-communicable diseases due to poor and unhealthy lifestyle. People, especially in urbanized areas, are at risk in accumulating non-communicable diseases due to lack of physical activities, stress, and poor diet. In aiding this problem, recently DOH pushes for traditional alternative healing methods. The department has created traditional, complementary, and alternative medicine program, which is the Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare. In complementary and alternative medicine, anyone can benefit, be those with illnesses or not. This proposed project, which entitles the Olivine, aims to provide naturopathic facilities that integrates the advances in technology through architectural and sustainable approach. What is naturopathic medicine? Naturopathic medicine is a holistic approach to healthcare that treats mind, body, and spirit. It's been shown that it treats and prevents some of the medical common conditions with the use of traditional healing methods and modern medical science. It has 6 underlying principles: no harm, identify and treat the causes, the healing power of nature, doctors as teachers, treat the whole person, focus on prevention. Here are the naturopathic treatment or naturopathic facilities that will be located in the proposed The Olivine Health Resort. An ideal location for the proposed naturopathic health resort is in rural area, wherein exposure to nature can contribute to emotional and physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, and the production of stress hormones. Among the provinces near the Metro Manila, Bulacan is the nearest and most accessible province, which is rich in natural resources and farming. Bulacan is dubbed as the gateway to the north. Bulacan has its vast production areas that can produce agricultural commodities for food security and economic development. The site is located in Barangay Sampaloc, San Rafael. San Rafael is a first-class municipality in the province. It is also known for its nature reserves and resorts. How many people seeks traditional and alternative medicine? According to Philippines National Demographic and Health Survey 2017, 1% of population went to an alternative medical provider. Population of people in median age and over, or 30 years old and over, 1% seeks alternative and traditional medication, and a population of middle-income earner and over. Those are the prospective guests for the proposed medical resort. To determine the number of facilities and accommodation, it will be proportioned by the farm at San Benito. The farm is located in Lipa, Batangas. There are 23 major activities and 22 villas and 9 suites. The Olive Vine has 19 major activities. Proportioning it with the farm, there will be 18 villas and 8 suites. It shows that 87 guests is the total maximum number of guests who seeks alternative medicine. And there will be a 168 guests in a day, which is the total maximum number of guests with their allowable number of companions, with full occupancy of accommodation. The site is located in Barangay Sampaloc, San Rafael, Bulacan, with a lot area of 42,693 square meters, and the land use is commercial. To come up with the site layout, site analysis is needed, wherein solar and wind path orientation is being analyzed to take advantage of the solar or the sunlight and also for the natural ventilation, also to buffer excessive sun heat gain. Neighboring areas and lands. The site is bounded by agricultural land and with a small density agro-industrial and small human settlements. With these existing neighboring areas, zoning can be taken for the privacy, for semi-private, public, natural and man-made views. The accommodation should be placed having a view of the unobstructed views of the agricultural land and the Mount Arayat, and also buffering unwanted views and also for having privacy. Topography. The site has a slope varies from 0 to 2%. The lowest point of elevation of the site is 15 meters, wherein the difference between the natural ground level and the lowest elevation is 7. The topography and the soil condition should be considered for the structural system and also for the allocating utilities. Serene ambience, less vehicular footprint and utilities. All of all of the factors, environmental factors, and existing conditions of the site were all analyzed to come up with a initial schematic diagram for having the private zone, semi-private zone, and the public zone, wherein accommodations are placed in the private areas having the natural views and semi-private for the public access admin building, and for the other recreational areas in the public areas, together with the utility area near the residential areas and existing public utilities. Design concept. Olivine. Olivine is one of the abundant mineral in Bulacan. It is known for its healing properties. It varies in colors and also known for its geometrical forms. It also undergoes porosity formation. So with the proposed health resort, it will also imitate the geometrical forms and the porosity wherein it will permit light and wind. Overall, considering all the factors, environmental factors, vegetation, and other existing conditions, one of the features will be the parametric double facade system for maintaining the comfort within the buildings, passive cooling and daylighting, geocell and cellular paving grade for the landscaping. For the structural, pre-engineered and portal frame will be used for the admin raised metal frame system for the accommodation for less intrusion to the site, space frame system and hybrid structure, and stick and mud structure. Equal pressure system will be used for supplying water in hydromassage, biological pond filter, rainwater harvesting, and sewage treatment plant will also be used for utilities. And platform lift will be located in naturopathic building, and also the multi-split type air conditioner for a backup for ventilation. Architectural character is tropical brutalism, which also derived from contemporary Balinese style, wherein it displays a place of freedom, wealth, and optimism through the use of concrete rigid geometry. Material concept, bamboo. Bamboo is a renewable material and one of the abundant material in Bulacan. It will undergo boucherie treatment for it to be a fire retardant. Lime glazed plaster is also one of the abundant materials in Bulacan, and it's good for wall finishes. Innovations, EPFE roof, which is a good alternative for the skylight roof. Polywall EPS solid sandwich panel, which is lightweight and has good insulation and also fire retardant. Aluminum automatic motorized louver with remote control, which will act as a rain screen at the same time allowing the air to flow out. Other building materials are the engineered bamboo panels for ceilings, louvers, and dividers, slatted battens, composite decking, and ZO timberwood plastic composites, the thermoplastic roofing, environmental synthetic thatch roofing. The total gross floor area and the building footprint and other open spaces does not exceed the required spaces under National Building Code. Vehicular traffic flow. Vehicular traffic is minimized inside the site. Pedestrian flow to various accommodations, public and private recreational pedestrian flow, location of the utilities, and the service flow. Admin building use the portal engineered framing system for its structural, and it also utilizes the eco-friendly synthetic touch roofing, and also has the skylight for permitting the sunlight, and also have the louvers. Naturopathic building, like permeable building, the naturopathic building utilizes cross ventilation. It has an atrium that is covered by an EPFE roof, which is good for heat insulation, and also has an aluminum motorized louvers that permits the warm air to flow to go out from the building. All the villas have a maximum capacity of 5 persons. It is made up of parametric bamboo double skin facade system for controlling the amount of sunlight that will go inside the house. And it also uses the EPS lightweight sandwich panel. The Olive Brown Villa, or the Executive Villa, it is a two-story residence with an outdoor lunch area and a balcony with a saltwater bathing, and it also has a pool area.